Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Williamson County, southeastern Travis County, northwestern Bastrop County, northwestern Lee County, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Windermere, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters reported ping-pong ball-size hail in Round Rock at 5:03 p.m. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pflugerville around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Manor around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Elgin around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Knott Springs, Sunset Valley, Garfield, Blue, Mayersville, Creedmoor, Mott, San Leanna, McDade, and Del Valley. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.